In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw an arrow in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to place the arrow. This can be any worksheet where you need to point something out, highlight a direction, or visually connect information. Arrows are especially useful when you're building instructions, flow diagrams, or drawing attention to important data inside a spreadsheet. Once your workbook is open, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. This is where you'll find tools for adding visual elements to your worksheet. In the Illustrations group, click on Shapes. A menu will open showing different shape categories you can insert into the sheet. Under the Lines section, choose the arrow style you want to use. For example, you can select a simple line arrow if you only need one direction, or a double arrow if you want to show movement or emphasis in both directions. Picking the right style depends on what you want your worksheet to communicate, so take a quick moment to choose the one that fits your layout best. After selecting the arrow, move your cursor onto the worksheet. Click and drag to draw the arrow exactly where you want it. As you drag, Excel will create the shape in real time, so you can control the direction and length as you go. When the arrow reaches the size you want, release the mouse button to place it. Next, if you want to customize the arrow, select it so Excel knows you're working with that shape. Once it's selected, go to the Shape Format tab. Here you'll see different formatting options that let you adjust the arrow's appearance. This is where you can make it fit better with the rest of your spreadsheet and improve how clearly it stands out. If the arrow needs to be adjusted after placing it, you can resize or rotate it. Click on the arrow and you'll see sizing handles on each end. Drag these handles to make the arrow longer or shorter. This is helpful if you need to line it up more precisely with nearby cells, labels, or charts. You can also drag the handle around in the direction you want to rotate the arrow, which makes it easy to point it exactly where it needs to go. Take your time making small adjustments until the arrow looks right and matches the message you want to convey on the worksheet. And that's it. That's how to draw an arrow in Excel.